A lot of people say aluminium is very good for your wet kitchen cabinet, and here in AmpQuartz, let me show you that why aluminium kitchen cabinet will be the best of your wet kitchen. So firstly, aluminium kitchen cabinets are highly water resistant, offering several advantages over the traditional material like woods. Firstly, the non-porous surface. Aluminium cabinets has a non-porous surface, meaning it does not absorb water. This prevents that swelling, warping, and other forms of water damage commonly seen in wood cabinets. They will not happen on aluminium cabinets. Secondly, the mold resistant. The non-porous nature of aluminium also means that it does not provide a breeding ground for mold. This contributes to a healthier kitchen environment, and your kitchen will not be smelling like a mold-like atmosphere. Secondly, if you are using aluminium as your kitchen cabinet, you will be free of insect infestation.
What?
So what do I mean like you will be free of insect infestation? Firstly, aluminium kitchen cabinet is a non-organic material, so it is unsuitable for insects. Unlike wood, aluminium is a non-organic material that insects cannot feed on, such as termites, ants, and beetles that typically infest and feed on organic materials. They will find aluminium unappealing and unsuitable for habitation. Secondly, the solid construction. So the sealed surface of aluminium cabinets often features solid and sealed surface without cracks or crevices where insects can hide or nest. This makes it very difficult for pests to find any entry points or create homes within your kitchen cabinet. Strong heat resistance is also another benefit that will be provided by your aluminium kitchen cabinet. So aluminium kitchen cabinets have a very good heat resistance due to its high melting point. Aluminium has a high melting point of around 660 degrees Celsius, making it capable of withstanding the high temperatures often encountered in kitchen environments. And for your information, aluminium kitchen cabinet will also ensure your safety in your house, as it provides a very good ability of fireproofing. As aluminium is a non-combustible and does not burn, this means it will not contribute to the spread of fire, unlike wood. So after hearing all these benefits, now you know why you should always consider an aluminium kitchen cabinet for your wet kitchen area. Here in AmpQuartz, we offer 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to finance your kitchen cabinet, and also we will have very dedicated cabinet consultant to accompany along the way of your journey to buy a kitchen cabinet with us. And finally, we will offer you up to 3 times of free 3D drawing to match your design and style according to your needs and desire. So the material costs of the kitchen cabinets keep rising due to the economy of Malaysia and the supply chain. So visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price and secure your own ideal dream kitchen cabinet with us.